Talking about vacations.
Have you planned your vacation yet?
Not yet. I'm still thinking about it.
You should decide soon. Summer is coming.
I know. I just can't choose a place.
What kind of vacation do you prefer?
Something relaxing. Maybe the beach.
Beaches are nice, but they can be crowded.
That's true.
What about the mountains?
Hiking sounds peaceful.
Fresh air and beautiful views.
I like that idea.
Or maybe a city trip.
I don't want too much noise.
Then nature is better.
Have you decided where you're going?
Yes, I'm visiting my family.
That's nice.
We usually spend time near the lake.
That sounds relaxing.
It is. We swim and cook outside.
I need something like that.
You work too much.
Maybe.
Vacations help you recharge.
I agree.
When will you take your leave?
Probably in July.
That's a good time.
I should book soon.
Yes, prices go up quickly.
I'll check online tonight.
Good idea.
I'm already feeling excited.
Planning is part of the fun.
You're right.
Let me know what you choose.
I will.